Hi guys, in this video I would be showing you how to fix temporary files not showing files in Windows 11 settings. So the problem here is that it is not loading the files. And this is because of the fact that the files are of large size and Windows takes a lot of time to load it. So in order to fix this you have to delete these files using an alternate method, and that is what I am going to show. Over here now, click System and Security and now open Disk Cleanup. Now select Disk C. And click OK. Before we continue, please subscribe and comment down below that you have subscribed and I will definitely respond to it.
5 minutes later.
Now select Clean up System Files. Once again select Disk C.
5 hours later.
After it is loaded you will get a dialog box like this, and over here you can delete everything except for downloads and delivery optimization files. And if you want you can also deselect the previous Windows installation files, as these files will be used when you go back to Windows 10 if you don't like Windows 11. And not deleting Windows installation files will result in taking a lot of time to load the temporary files.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Finally, it is fixed now.